Hello and welcome to AutoKets. In this video, I have brought you an amazing tricks related to the power trim in SolidWorks. So in the display, you can find that we have the bunch of sketches and how to use the power trim. We all know that. So just go for the trim and the first option is only the power trim. Click and hold the mouse button and whatever entities on which you are going to drag, you can see that it will going to be trimmed out. But let's say that by mistake you have trimmed the wrong entity. So at that time, either undoing all the trim, what you can do, you can just retract the path and you can see that there's a red dot over here. If you are going to hold your mouse on this red dot, it will going to undo the trim and the entities that you have trimmed, it will going to be appeared again. Similarly, you can see that the next undo or next red dot will going to be available and you can undo that part also. So this is how you can undo the power trim. Subscribe for the more tricks like this.